Alrighty boys, I was in the Ducati dealership today looking at a V2. They're a long wait, it's about a 12-month wait to get one at the moment. Interested in test riding one. But then he showed me this $1199 that was recently traded in. So it's slightly used, 4,000k. It's a 2014 model. Yeah, it's a great looking bike. Obviously it's not the new like V2 or V4, but it's still a Panigale. For a good price, and it comes with a Termi slip-on, which is worth about $5,000. So I could actually get this $1199 cheaper than a V2. Now, I was looking at the V2 because I was thinking a smaller capacity bike than my S1000 I can actually have more fun on, because I could rev it out a little bit more. Let's turn that on. Oh, dude, he said it was quiet. This is pretty loud, man. Dude, that sounds sick. That sounds amazing. What the fuck? Dude, this is sick. Are you kidding me? Holy shit, this sounds amazing. Are you kidding? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. The seat's hard, I'll give you that. Clutch is light. Someone said it was heavy, it's not. This is sick. Oh, bro, this is sick. I love this. I can't believe this is a stock exhaust. It's so loud. He was telling me, oh bro, just keep in mind it's not as loud as the ones with the exhaust that we'll give you if you buy it. Don't worry about it, you know, etc, etc. Next minute. Dude, this is fucking sick. Excuse my profanity, I'm so excited right now. Oh, M4, hello. You feel like an absolute boss on these. Holy shit, dude. Oh, I love this. It's not, it doesn't feel as nimble as the S1000. Oh, it's pretty nimble. It feels, the initial turn in feels a bit harder, but once it's over it feels more planted. Do these mirrors fold in? Oh, they do. The new ones don't. So that's kind of like a good point. Like, let's see how easy it gets into neutral. Oh, first try. Bro. Bro, I thought Ducatis were hard to ride. Very slim, feels more slender than my S1000. Obviously S1000 being a 4-cylinder versus a twin. You know what, I know it's not up to temp yet, or maybe it is. It says 73 degrees, that doesn't sound up to temp to me. Oh yeah, 74. But so far, not much heat around my legs. I remember the 959 that I rode had a lot. Let's try a little pull. This is so cool. Dude, it's so loud. It's so sick. And I don't think the audio, like on my mic, does this exhaust justice, but it sounds so nice. It's so bassy. I actually love this thing. So we've got a bit of heat now. It's 95 degrees, it's up to temp. I can feel a bit of heat on my right inner thigh. Nothing extreme though. Can't beat that sound, dude. Oh, dude, I can't get enough of it. How would it sound with a full system? Oh my god! Oh, I love it so much. Ducati. Can anyone tell me, anyone who's owned an 1199, I know they're a bit older, so I'm really curious what the reliability is like. So the V4 is probably a little bit more reliable, but it's like 15 grand more. I don't know if I can justify it. It has so much character, it's so raw. Like the S1000 is an amazing bike, don't get me wrong, like it's so refined. The S1000 is faster than this, not gonna lie. To be fair, this is 4 years older than my Beamer. So the Beamer's faster, the Beamer's smoother, the Beamer has creature comforts like cruise control and heated grips. But the one thing the Beamer doesn't have is like raw character, so aggressive. I don't know, I'm very torn. What do you guys think? I've always loved the look of Panigales. It just feels like a Ferrari, dude. I'm sitting on a two-wheel Ferrari. That's what it feels like. Okay, there's quite a bit of heat now on my leg. Nothing extreme, but it's warm. I won't lie. Oh, it sounds so good. Tunnel run, boys. Tunnel run on the two-wheel Ferrari. Look, it's my bike. What do you think? Red bike or black bike? Well, folks, just coming back now from the test ride on that Panigale 1199, and boy, I am stumped. Because this bike is great, the S1000's amazing. I love BMW. I love BMW, but that Ducati, man, it just had so much character going for it. Like this is butter smooth, like turbine butter smooth. You know, I can be in a high gear and it's not jerky. It's just like butter. But that Ducati, it was so angry and it looks so aggressive, like a Ferrari, that you can't beat that red. And it's such a good price. I don't know what to do, guys. It's so good. I'll think about it over the long weekend, but it was an amazing bike. The S1000 is more comfortable for sure. It doesn't get as hot. The seat's not as hard. It's got cruise control. So it might be the better road bike. it turns in a bit easier. That was a loud pop, dude. Drag race time. 3, 2, 1, go.